scrubbing plates like a legend, dreaming he's winning again. Controllers waiting at home when the dishes stop clinking. It's Call of Duty time. Oh yeah. Oh, Dishwasher Nick, you got that joystick grip. Your apron soaked, but your aim don't slip. You level up fast, but your love life stuck. Spawning in the friend zone, what bad luck. Dishwasher Nick, you're a clean machine, still waiting on a date since 2013. You can't press start on love, but your hands sure sparkle and shine. Whoa, whoa. He talks to the plates when it's quiet, as your guys understand me best. Manager Tyron caught him singing to a noodle soup bowl's crest. His head sets his halo of glory. He's a champion of online wars, but when it comes to flirty convos, he's buffering for sure. Dishwasher Nick, you got that joystick grip. Your apron soaked, but your aim